So what information do you want to capture when you're creating a stock portfolio spreadsheet in Excel or Sheets? I like to capture the name, symbol, of course, to identify the investment. A purchase date is important because it can help you calculate the annualized gain and loss. Purchase price in shares, of course, is critical because it helps you calculate purchase cost, the total amount you spent on the investment. Then current price is necessary because it helps you come up with a gross current value, which is the current price times the number of shares you purchased. Then, of course, dividends can play an important part uh, in any investment's return. So you'll want to capture them. The net current value is going to include the gross current value, which is capital gains, plus your total dividends received. And once you have that, you calculate, of course, the total gain and loss in terms of dollars and the total gain and loss in terms of percentage. And that gives you obviously a good perspective on how that particular investment is done. But to give it even a little more, I think it's necessary to calculate the annualized gain and loss, or CAGR, compounded annual growth rate. That puts every investment on an equal footing, looks at it from an annual basis, what the return was. Uh, Another column that I just kind of discovered recently, and I added it to my create a amazing stock portfolio spreadsheet in Excel, which I'll put a link to down in the description, but is using spark lines and Google Finance to go back in time and be able to make a chart based off uh, however many months you want to. So you can do little as 1 month or do 5 years by doing 60 months, and it'll just give you a little mini chart there, kind of visualize what the return has been. So I think that's handy too. I'll do a separate video and maybe blog post on that formula, break it down on how to add that, or you can just go to the blog post and download the updated spreadsheet. Anyhow, hope that gives you some ideas of what to include in your stock portfolio spreadsheet. Thanks for watching. See you.